Okay, we're at the Seoul airport in South Korea. We are going to show you actually a room tour of the hotels that are within the airport. This is the transit hotel, and it's actually super nice in here. So come with us inside while we give you a little tour. Okay, it's actually super cute. These are the little hallways. And we have the first set of rooms when you first walk in. This is 308. This is what the inside looks like. Has two little double beds, TV, and bathroom, and a shower, a walk-in shower, toilet, and that's pretty much it. Super tiny, but we're only here for like 9 hours, so it'll work.
Yep.
Before our flight. All right,
Let's
bye.
do it.